In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore a deleted password or deleted credentials or login in 1Password. And basically, whatever items that you've deleted within 1Password, you can quickly recover those or restore those on 1Password. So the best way to do this is to, once you're inside 1Password, I recommend that you go to your account itself in the browser, and then on the lower left hand side, you will find view vault items. So you can quickly view those vault items that you have, whether it's password, whether it's document, whether it's credit card details, whatever it is. And if they're deleted, you can find them under the recent deleted. So you have recently deleted and you can find them. And so you can click on them. And once you are there, you have the option to restore the item. So click and restore, and it's going to restore it for you. And as you can see, it is restored, and that's all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.